Good morning. Today is a vlog where I'm gonna take you through my mornings. I've been working on building a good routine for like 2.5 years, and how that routine helps me have a good day. So I actually have been waking up kind of late these days. I've been waking up at like 8:30. 8:39 also some days. I have a big event coming up next week, and before an event like that, I've just noticed I get nerves, and when I get nerves I just end up sleeping more. It's just a thing that I've observed about myself. You get like thode lucid dreams and you end up sleeping a little bit more. So but I still want to get moving in my day, even though I don't feel like it at all, but I think that will help me. What I usually do is that I try to get meditation and a workout done no matter what. Even if it's literally 5 minutes of meditation and 10 minutes of workout, I will still try to get it done. Work out like 4 times a week. Me and my parents have a trainer who comes at home, so we all do the workout together. But आज वो क्लास नहीं है, तो मैं वही सोच रही हूँ कि मैं पहले नहा लेती हूँ and then I will do meditation, maybe little bit of yoga before I start working today. So my system is all set. This is a thing that I've been trying to do for a while. I used to be so jhalla before. The day I didn't have to go out to meet anybody or have a shoot, I would literally not comb my hair. I would literally not get ready. And I just wanted to change that about myself. Actually, Bharat inspired me to do that because whenever I see him, whether he's at home or going outside, he always looks good. And I just think that's such a good quality. I really like that about him. So I also started doing that, and it honestly just makes my motivation level so much higher. It makes me feel good, and why not? It's just such a nice thing to do. So if I'm just at home, I will do my hair nicely, put on a little bit of makeup, some jewelry, and when I get ready, like on my mirror, I have affirmation stickers. I don't like actually actively read them, but they're just there, and I have like a little paper on which I've written my goals and just things I want to happen for me. And I've been doing this since like 2017, 2018. Even in my old house, from the OG videos, I used to have that, and so many of the things on those papers came true. This is a like new Benefit moisturizer. It's a tinted moisturizer that I've been using, and this kind of stuff I love for like just home vibes. 2-minute makeup look, easy peasy. Benefit blush palette, little bit of blush, that's it. I also have like this pigmentation, which is like my main thing that I want to cover up when I'm doing makeup, but I'm really thinking about embracing it because I just can't keep doing this for the rest of my life, and I don't know why this pigmentation happens. If someone knows, please tell me. Like on the nose and forehead and chin and around the lips, because I really want to like resolve it from the inside. Like maybe my diet is wrong, or like something is there, or maybe I'm stressed. I actually want to be done trying to cover it with makeup, and I don't need to. Okay, this is the outfit. It's not super dressy or anything, but I think it's great for a day of working at home. I love these green pants and just chill and simple, and yeah. Okay, I'm here and I'm gonna do meditation. So I have like 2-3 different meditations. If I have a lot of time, I'll do the 1 hour one or the 50 minutes one. But today, since I woke up late, I am just gonna do the 20 minutes one, and that's also fine. I've learned this thing about consistency. Like I saw this post which showed one day they were properly dressed, मतलब अच्छे workout कपड़े पहने हैं. The other day मतलब बुरी हालत में, but फिर भी कर रहे हैं. Even if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 minute, like that is what consistency looks like. I just had this like crazy perfectionist mindset, which I still do in many different things, like having a really good work day. But I've combated that mindset, at least in terms of fitness and meditation and different habits. I'm still trying to combat it in terms of having a productive day. So let's meditate, guys. Let's do it. Okay, meditation is done. Feeling very good. And I'm gonna have my matcha now. I've been having matcha regularly. I've been using Glow Glossary and Noon matcha alternatively, and yeah, it's been interesting having matcha for some time now. I'm loving it. I'm currently working on releasing a new song. So I have a new song ready, which is good to go. So I'm setting the release date for sometime in June, because you have to like distribute the song बहुत पहले से. And while doing this, Sometimes I just get really nervous and I just feel a little like extra energy. And I remember that I haven't like worked out today, so I thought let me do quick 30 minutes yoga. I had a call with my production manager and that's done. So I have like 30 minutes to kill. I'll do yoga and then I will have my lunch and then get back to it.
Make a really nice angle.
Okay, guys, I spent a lot of time chatting with my teammate Varsha. We were discussing updates for my upcoming like project that's coming up. You'll see it in the next vlog and maybe on my Instagram yet. So lots of planning for that, lots of like booking videographers, content ideas, brand deals, all that stuff. And I also spent a lot of time making like doing graphic design basically for two things. I am working on a business project, so branding related stuff for that, and also like cover art for my next song. And it's really interesting. I'm basically using ChatGPT to figure out like a basic mock-up of what I want to shoot. And the thing is, you can also create cover arts on ChatGPT and use them legally, which I looked up. ChatGPT is genuinely so useful for this type of stuff and for brainstorming, and I use it so much for content ideas, for different things, learning new skills. It's so useful. Okay, next thing on the agenda, if I have a day like this at home, which is literally like my favorite type of days, I also like practice my vocals. Since music releasing is such a big part of my life, doing vocal warm-ups is something I do. So there's a really good YouTube channel called Jacob's Vocal Academy. I do vocal practice and I also like practice songs, and I'm also going to go tomorrow to try out a new music teacher just to get back into lessons as well. And it's so cool, guys. Did I mention in my vlog that I got to be on the Rolling Stone Future of Music list, which is like so incredible. After 5 years of releasing music and being just so doubtful of the whole thing, not because I don't love music or I had a doubt in like what I was doing, but I think I got scared with the views and people not liking it. But I just reminded myself that people who love it are the ones that I need to focus on, and it feels so gratifying to get that type of like mention in Rolling Stone. And now it's actually like I feel confident to say that yo, I am a singer-songwriter and we're making more music. And we're just gonna go with how this phone is falling. And I have another song coming out, like I said. It's a really, really nice one. And I wrote it like 10 days after Bharat proposed. So it's in that beautiful zone that I was in. This phone is just falling. And that's going to be out next month. Alright, guys, wrapping up my day. My mom is outside. I'm going to go chill with her. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And see you soon. Bye.